Hey eBay, today I'm showing you an Alcatel One Touch model A206G flip phone. This is, I believe, from 2017 or 2018. You can see flip open there. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Notice when it's turning on those spots on the bottom of the screen. Once the screen is on, they're not as noticeable, but they are always there if you look closely. You can see them most clearly there with the white screen when it turns on. As you can see, it is working. The battery is fully working. This is pretty well featured for a flip phone, honestly. It's the Tracfone model. You do calls, text messages. There's some kind of web browser. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. It has to have service to go on the web, so I don't know exactly how good that is. There's applications. There's a camera on the back. Probably not that great, but it is there. Music, video, and picture viewer player. Voice memo recorder. There's FM radio. However, that only works if you have the headphones and the headphone jack to act as your antenna. But it does work. I have tested that. And so we'll go ahead and turn it off and I'll give you a look at the battery compartment and the charge port. So the charge port is on the side here under that little nub, which hopefully I can get out in 1 second here. There we go. And as you can see, it is a standard micro USB like you would find on most of your Android phones from the past few years, well before they switched to USB-C anyway. So it will be very easy to find a charger for this. That's why it was easy for me to charge it up to test it and show you how it works. Let's have a quick look at the back with the battery exposed and with the battery taken out. I believe that is a micro SIM. Relatively clean. Yeah, so overall it's in okay physical condition. There are a few scratches and scuffs, especially on the side. There's one little area right there where that black coating is chipped off on the front. The screen has those dots on it. It also has, if you can see here under certain light, markings from this button right where it meets it, as well as some other scratches up there. But overall okay condition and working well. So I think that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.